welcome to another video. Today I have got another vacuum unboxing, and I ain't been this excited to unbox a vacuum in ages. So in here should be probably, well, I'd say one of the rarest pneumatics out there. I paid not stupid money. It was fairly expensive for what it is, but it is one of the rarest ones going. The only other one I've seen of these is in the factory in Chard. So anyway, we'll take a look, shall we? So it's quite well packaged with loads of stuff in here. Right, so okay. Filter, which is full of bloody paper. I'm gonna have to grab a vacuum that in a minute and clean this all out. And anyway, so let's just grab the machine out itself. It's not correctly put together. Wait a minute. There's nothing else in the box. Oh, one of the wheel caps has come off. Just put that back on. So yeah, the box is full of both the wheel caps. Well, one's broken actually. That's a shame. Oh well. So yeah, the box is full of shredded paper, and it's made a mess of my room. But anyway, we are unboxing a vacuum, so it's not like that's a drama, is it? So put that over there. Here is the machine. Let me wheel it round for you. And it's been damaged. I can probably bend that up, actually. But yeah, this is the front of the cleaner. This, in fact, is a 1970s Numatic vacuum. What an idiot. Sellers put tape on the drum to hold the lid on. But it's this shitty packing tape. So it's marking all the drum up. What an idiot. Oh well. But yeah. They've put this bloody packing tape on the drum. I'm going to have to get some thinners or something out for that. Yeah. So here's the machine. Trying to open it up. Getting covered in bloody stuff here as well. So yeah, here's the machine then. She's loads of shredded paper. This is model BV, and the serial number starts off with 7405, which means this is a 1974 model. Oh, let's get the hoses in here. Right, so there's the top, and here's the cable for it, and here's the hose. I don't know what size hose this is, but it is falling to pieces. See there, it's kind of, yeah, so I think that's a reducer. So yeah, it is full of shredded paper, which is a nightmare. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly pause the camera, clear all this mess up, and we'll be back in a sec. So here is the Numatic BV anyway. There's still shredded paper falling out of everywhere. So yeah, but I do need to hoover my room. But you know, it's, yeah, I'm happy to have it, you know. Top could do with a repaint, if I'm honest. The wheel needs sorting out on the front. Don't think it's meant to be like that. But yeah, I mean, I've got black paint. I can just sand this all down. The tub is alright, to be fair. The tub's clean-ish. There's not really paint coming off the tub. Yeah, this wheel is kind of annoying. It needs bending out, if I'm honest. I don't think it's meant to be done like that. I'll have a look in the eBay photos if that was like that or not. But one thing about it, the hose ports are in really nice condition. They're really nice and shiny on this. Now, the one in the museum, if I remember rightly, and I have a photo of it actually, didn't have a blower port on the top, and it was like a silvery colour. But obviously this one's red, so I don't know what's going on there. You've got the original hose, which needs chopping back, if I'm honest, because the coating's all kind of coming off. But yeah, I'm so happy with this. I don't know whether to turn it on in my room or not, mainly due to the reason it's so old. But yeah, it's definitely not double insulated. I can just literally do that, put my finger in there and touch the commutator on the motor. So it's not very safe by modern standards, so you know, I won't be using this one. The cable exit on it is very Kerstar like, although there's not much left of it. So I'm probably just going to modify something to go on there. Nice MK safety plug 2. Wheel cap's also broken and falling off, or one of them is, so when it gets refurbed I'll glue that back on. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I wasn't expecting it to be mint, obviously, because it is a 48-year-old commercial vacuum, so you know, I wasn't expecting it to be pristine. But yeah, it is what it is. So you got your brightness plate there, show you around. We've got the filter, which is very similar to the one in my what's the name of it, the Durnbury, which is a Kerstar really. I've decided that's a Kerstar, so pretty much the same filter. And the tub is, yeah, just a tub really. And the bag connector even comes out, which is good. So that can be cleaned easy enough. But yeah, I am pretty happy with this. Yeah, I might just plug it in quickly as well while we're here. It's probably going to sound terrible considering the state it's in, but we'll turn it on anyway. See what it sounds like, see what it does. So plugged it into an RCD here in the wall, as I should be. So anyway, here we go. I mean, it works at least. Not the healthiest machine I've heard, but you know, I mean, it works at least. So yeah, I'm fairly happy with that. I'm going to take it down the shed now. I'll give it a quick wipe over and stuff, and yeah, we'll end the video there. So anyway, there we go. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.